We have it, but God is not in the church. The church is no God. God is you. You are the church. Right, 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 right. There it is. Right. Right. That's why I told him I don't need to go Sunday because I went Saturday. Oh, I do. I preach at work. Oh no, Sunday morning is too early. The Bible got the temple of the Lord got to sleep on Sunday morning.